Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Casper in the USA. By installing and or downloading the Bybit mobile app, that is this mobile app, by using this mobile app here, once you've opened the Bybit mobile app, make sure you have an account on Bybit. If you do not have an account on Bybit, by using our link in the description of this video, you can claim welcome bonuses of up to 5,020 USDT when you register and verify your account. As it says here, complete verification to deposit and trade. Please, that is necessary, so make sure you get it done. So guys, once you've verified your account and you're on the Bybit platform, how do we buy the Caspa? Simply head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, you're dropped at the overview where you can simply click on deposit. By selecting deposit, you can choose to deposit cryptocurrency. That is, if you have cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Tron, Solana, any cryptocurrency you have residing outside of Bybit, you can simply deposit that cryptocurrency here and get it converted into the USDT. Or you could click on fiat and simply select any of your fiat currency. So let's say you've got some euros, some GBP, some United States dollars. If you select this option, you could simply deposit via a wire transfer from your bank, depending on how much USD you wish to use. This can be done based on your region. So for the United States, just select the dollar and make a wire transfer. Though the deposit is suspended, you might have to buy it via the P2P, which is just another option down here. So with the fire deposit drop down at the top of the screen, you could simply select P2P. And to do that, your account must be verified. Please, your account must be verified. So simply make use of the P2P section and make sure you're only trading with verified merchants. So once you're on the P2P, you could simply click on the buy option, select the USDT, scroll down and find an eligible merchant and purchase it. Your account must be verified. So once you've completed your identity verification, you've bought your USDT, how do you get yourself some Caspa? Head to the markets option where we have spot, select the spot wallet at the top of the screen, click on the search icon and search for KAS. Once you search for KAS, select the Casper USDT on the spot wallet. Click on this Casper USDT. This is the trading pair. This is how you place a buy order. You can take your time to read this. So once you've done this, your next step in order to buy the Casper immediately, click on the limit drop down and select market. By using market, we get to buy our Casper at the current price of the market. So if the Casper is $1, we get to buy it at $1. If it's less than $1, like how it is here, we buy it for less than $1. So enter the amount you wish to use and click on Buy Caspa. Head to the wallet section at the bottom right once you've bought the Caspa and you'd find it there on your spot wallet. So click on the spot wallet and you'd find the Caspa here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.